watch, bitch, don't watch me.
How the
heard
heck
that?
you did this?
Ready, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Tryna distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them too. Ready, I've been stepping, I've been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass
There you go. Just like kind of like move around like through the motion, just like a video. Yeah. There you go. Just like that. Yep. Feel on yourself a little bit, like down. There you go. Like that. Yeah. Like that. There you go. Looking into the camera. There you go. Yep. There you go. Yeah. There you go. Yep. Hold it. Yep. The shit I do for y'all boys, bro. My feet are like crazy low in this, man. All right, let's get some shots in. Nah, it's the tree. All right, let me see what my light's looking like. I'm at 640 ISO, you guys. All right, bet. Go over more, like in there. There we go. Yep. I want like a cross, and I want like this. So you're gonna like, yeah, like that. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. There we go. Hold it, guys. I'm using that black mist filter. That bit hitting right now. Hold it. Yep. Yes. There we go. Hold it. Hold it.
Damn, these bugs are bugging me.
Man, these bugs are bugging me, head ass, bro. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I'm got a bird's eye view, you guys. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. Hold 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 it. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Now turn and look over your side to the right. Yep, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Turn more. Turn more. So that you can get some. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. Yep. Hold it. One more. One more. Yep. Now I want you to turn to the front.
Hello.
Stop the video and start it back again so y'all can see. Y'all be liking angles. I'm trying to get y'all angles. Oh my God, it's cold. There we go, guys. We got that raw, no flash, no nothing. There we go. Cross your legs. There we go. And I want you to hold both. Oh, that's cute. Go back. Hold that and lean forward. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. There we go. Yep. So you guys, when I'm shooting, you see how she has her legs crossed? I want to have the bottom of the frame of my camera at her knees. I don't want to show her physical feet. So I'm going to just cut them at her knees and then lift it up, right? So we're going to see how that looks right here. There we go. Yep. Cutting it right at the knees and just showing straight background and showing exactly what. Look up and off that direction. So I'm going to go this way so I can get a little bit more. Yep. Just like that. Yep. Just like that. Amazing. 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 Yep. Eye contact with the camera. There we go. Hold it. And I'm framing her up in the middle. Just like so. Just like that. Yep. There we go. Yep. All right, bet. Now like hold both. There you go. Just like that. And then look right here. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Put your head down a little bit. Kay is such a head ass. You guys ever like thought about like what a head ass is? Think about Kay. She's a head ass, all right? There we go. Let me see you hold it, bro. Come here. There we go. Yep. There we go. I'm gonna back up again because I like that space that I got last time. There you go. Look right here. Yep. There you go. Hold it. You got it. You got it. There we go. Yep. I got center focus, you guys, with tracking on it. There we go. Yep. That extra compression really does it. Look away. Don't look at me. Yep. I'm gonna use this leaf as foreground. Yep. Eye contact. Look right here. Look right here. Look right here. There we go.
We talked.
I don't know.
30 minutes exceeded. Sabrina's back. God bless.
Shit. Oh man. Oh. It's actually not that bad though.
I like it. Oh.
Just for reference, you guys, we ran from all the way over there. That's where our stuff is. We had to like come back because like, yeah, we thought we were done. We thought we were done.
Huh?
Don't move. All right, you guys, I'm literally trying to like cover my book bag. Like I have this little sleeve thing for my book bag when it rains that I could put over the whole thing. That makes it like relatively like waterproof, resistant or whatever. And it comes in so handy, bro. So I'm literally putting that over there. And I'm gonna put this stuff back on top. All right, we're gonna go back to shooting, man. because, yeah. All right, let's do it, man. Sacrifices that we making. Y'all see this bullshit? Ooh, sacrifices. Yep. It's gonna keep doing it. It's gonna keep coming down and then stopping, coming down and stopping. Guys, we're really in that feel. Huh. I like that, I like that, I like that, I like that. That's cute. There you go, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, yep. Yep, there we go. I'm going up my ISO, you guys. Highly going up my ISO. I left my shutter the same so I could compensate for that motion blur of my model. There we go, yep, hold it. Yes, there we go. There we go, yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. There we go, hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go, yep, hold it, yep. Hold it, yep. There we go, yep. There we go. Yes, there we go. Now like, shit, I'm about to fall, boy. That's kind of cute. Put the one hand up, put one hand under your cheek. Like that, but like straight hand, and then put the left hand on the tree. And look back. Like, bro, like when you do exactly what I say, it be coming out looking so crazy, bro. Cause like you gotta like kind of like do what I say, but like flex that bit, like how it make it look good for you. Hold it, like, yeah, there we go, like that. Hold it, yep. Tilt your head down a little bit, yeah, right there. Hold it, yep. One more, yep. There we go, yes. There we go. Now I want you to like, can you put your butt on the tree while up there, or is that too far? That's what I want, yeah, like that. There we go, hold it. Woo, boy, it's back raining, y'all boys, it's back raining. Let me go, see, hold it, 3, 2, 1, yes, there we go. There we go, yes. There we go, yes. There we go, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go, yes. These are gonna go fucking viral. Cause they're gonna be like, bro, where are they? And like the rain's helping. The rain's helping you look crazy. There we go, yes. There we go, yep, hold it.
I'm slipping.
Yeah, all right, get down. Like sit on it. Like that, yeah. Yep, just like that, yep. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, hold it, yep. Switch your arms, open up, yep. Like that, yeah, there we go, hold it. There we go, eye contact. There we go, yep, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm in that field, huh? Better not run off with it in here, you're gonna get killed, huh? Hold on. I'm really in that field. I'm gonna do a high up angle. Oh, hold it. This bit look like, where the fuck they at? Eye contact. Bam, hold it. Oh my gosh, bro, this is like, bro, I'm posting these photos throughout the year. Like, I don't know, like, these are too good. Like, bro, did we just travel to Puerto Rico? Like, where the fuck are we, bro? Hold it, hold it. Do y'all see this shit? Bro, where are we? Let me get y'all a new angle, bro. All right, what the hell? What?
Children are gonna see me naked.
You got on a bathing suit. It's not like, if it was lingerie, it would be worse. But it's crazy how like they're basically the same thing, but still not.
Right?
All right, put your like, put a leg down.
In the water?
Yeah. That bit cold? Or you just feel like you don't know what you're gonna find? It's gooey?
Yeah.
Type shit. Let me see, all right, there we go. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. There we go, yep, hold it, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my hair.
Hold it, 3, 2, 1, yep. There we go, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna come over here a little bit more. There we go, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Like hold that, hold that, hold that. Put an arch in your back. Your arch like your back's like over. Yeah, like that. There you go. Yep. There you go. Hold it. Put that right hand back on the stump. Yep, and lean back into it. Lean like back a little bit.
Oh.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got
My hand
it.
is fucked up too.
Like that. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yeah, it's like that. Stretch that foot out a little bit more. That left one. Yeah. Pull it down. Right there. There you go. Like that. Yep. There you go. Hold it. Yep. Look right here. Yes. There we go. There we go. There we go. Can y'all see me? Yeah. There we go. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. There we go. Just like that. Look up and off that way. Yep. Hold it. There we go. One more. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Eye contact. There we go. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. One more. I'm gonna go through the trees. I'm gonna shoot this one. Get creative, you guys. Shoot through the trees. Yes. There we go, like shooting, using the tree as your foreground, shoot the middle ground, then you gotta have that background. I love using foreground, middle ground, background because it makes shit look a lot more cinematic. I'm gonna do a video right here, just no cap, just cause. Let me see, 4K, I'm gonna go like 60, 4 frames. There we go, let me see. There you go, just like kind of like move around like through the motion, just like a video, yeah. There you go, just like that, yep. Feel on yourself a little bit, like down. There you go, like that, yeah, like that. There you go, looking into the camera. There you go, yep. I'm gonna do another one. One more time, ready? Same thing. 3, 2, and 1. There you go, yeah. There we go. Yep, hold it, yep. And looking eye contact. There we go. Bro, this is crazy. It's like, where the fuck is she? One more shot. Every time I say one more, guys, it's like 19, 20, 30, 40, 80 type shit. Oh my gosh, I like that. It's a wide shot. What happened? Oh, the kids? Right arm back, like that. There we go. Like, kind of like lean your body. No, like your head that way. Go back that way. So like, you're like this. Like, angle yourself. You're like that. Yeah, there we go. Y'all see that? There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Hold it. I want to make sure I can see everything. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There you go. One more. Oh, thank you guys for watching, man. It was a whole lot of gas, a whole lot of fun. Let me know if you guys want more stuff like this. Check out the reels on the Instagram and all that stuff. Kay's in the back being crazy, per usual. But make sure to share with a photographer, a model, anybody that might find the information is helpful. Until next time.
Taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich D, man. Watch bitch, don't watch